Friends, this is Carl Perkins. Say, how about you joining me tonight on Ranch Party, okay? Come on along to the old ranch party and we'll all have a wonderful time. Join in the song at the old ranch party. Leave all your troubles behind. Keep a smile on your face and a song in your heart. You can't help feeling fine. So come on along to the old ranch party and we'll all have a wonderful time.
Yes, it's Ranch Party, coming to you from the stage of the Old Town Hall. A stage jam-packed with your favorite country and western recording and motion picture stars. With our special guests, Carl Perkins, Mac Wiseman, and the Sons of the Pioneers. Featuring the sensational Torrance Kids. And starring your host, Tex Ritter.
Thank you, Jay Stewart, and thank you, friends. You know, when we were kids, we used to break the bottom of thermometers just so we could hold that magic fluid in our hands, the mercury or the quicksilver. I don't want you children out there to try that because we discovered it wasn't worth it. Our dad's razor strap convinced us of that. Here's Les Carrot Top Anderson to tell us all about it. Quicksilver.
You're as hard to hold as quicksilver when you kiss and run away. I dream you're mine, and then as quick as quicksilver, all my dreams are led astray. I keep chasing you till I'm facing you and embracing you with all your charm. Then you slip through my fingers just like quicksilver right into someone else's arms. You're as hard to hold as quicksilver when you kiss and run away. I dream you're mine, and then as quick as quicksilver, all my dreams are led astray. I keep chasing you till I'm facing you and embracing you with all your charm. Then you slip through my fingers just like quicksilver right into someone else's arms.
How many people do you know that can pick up a storm on the guitar and do a buck dance at the same time? I think we have just about the only one in captivity here on Ranch Party. Here he is with his sister Laurie doing a little dancing to the bop. It's Larry Collins, his sister Laurie, dancing to the bop.
There's a little juke joint on the outskirts of town where the cats pick 'em up and they lay 'em down. Well, you get your guy and I'll get mine, and we'll both get together and we'll have a good time. Well, dance a little bit to the bop, dance a little bit to the bop. Well, dance a little bit to the bop. Well, dance to the rock and roll. Well, now dance, dance, dance. Well, now dance, dance, dance. Well, now dance, dance, dance. Well, dance, dance, dance. Well, dance, dance to the rock and roll. Now get it, lady. Some come single like me and you. Dancing to the bop is their delight. And when they get right, well, they dance all night. And they'll dance a little bit to the bop, dance a little bit to the bop. Well, dance a little bit to the bop. Well, dance to the rock and roll. Well, now dance, dance, dance. Well, now dance, dance, dance. Well, now dance, dance, dance.
out from the city, a cowboy for the beat. He'd never seen a mountain and he'd never seen a tree. He's just a dude cowboy, dude cowboy. He's got a lot to learn. He talks about his saddle and he brags about his vest. He thinks that he's the toughest man that ever hit the West. He's just a dude cowboy, dude cowboy. He's got a lot to learn.
He rides his pony racing, rides him antelope, but he can't friend no yearling, he can't throw a rope. He's just a dude cowboy, dude cowboy. He's got a lot to learn. He's got a lot to learn.
I'd like to get you to know a lovely little girl who we have here on Western Ranch Party. Though she's really just a child, she sings a song with all the feeling and understanding and authority of a grown-up. We love her. We're sure you'll love her, too. Here's little Dortha Wright to sing Keeper of the Key.
Although you're with my new love, I'm not free. For you have placed a lock around my heart, dear. And you are the keeper of the key. Of the key. Love locked inside like mine burns constantly. So darling, please come back to me. We'll lock our hearts together for a lifetime. And God will be the keeper of the key.
Well, folks, they tell me the last stagecoach from Tennessee has just arrived. Got him back for another visit. I'm speaking, of course, about Carl Perkins and his boys. Here they are with That's Right.
Off at 4 o'clock, just a little before dark, standing on my steps at 4:05 sharp. Lucy gal, you better get decked out, and you can tell old lover boy to get checked out. That's right. Well, that's right. Well, I get a funny feeling, I wanna go home. I find you there on Mr. Bell's telephone. And lots of people been telling us what to do, but when it comes to love, and that's just me and you, and that's right. Oh, that's right. Baby, that's right. Baby, that's right. Oh, that's right. that's right. Yeah, but that's right. Well, now in my vocabulary, you've been afraid and fine. Seems to me I've been a-walking the line. Comes a loving gal, I'm dumb as spots. When I get mad, I flat get hot, and that's right. Well, that's right. Well, now if what they say is true and that is another joker, we'll use a 5 in this little game of poker. Is a cat that's been a-getting my sugar. It's gonna be rough when I catch that booger, that's right. Well, that's right. Well, that's right. Good cat, that's right. Oh, you know something, honey? When something's right, it's just flat right. That's right. Oh, well, that's right. One more time, cat, let's go, 'cause that's right. Baby, that's right. Yeah, well, that's right. Ooh, that's right. Yeah, but that's right. Well, that's right.
Well, our guests today are possibly the greatest singing organization that's ever been developed in the West. The great songs that they have been singing for us for a number of years, many of them they have written themselves, have given new meaning to the West and the music of the American West. We're always delighted to see them come. We're sorry to see them leave. Here they are, the Chant of the Plains are singing for us, the Sons of the Pioneer.
Listen to the prairie weave a song from a whale. Listen to him blended with the nightingale, winging up above where the dark clouds sail and fly. I need you. Listen to the rhythm of the padded feet, stealing through the desert, hear his wild heartbeat, searching for his love, and my heart repeats his cry. I need you. All through the prairie I wander, night falls and I long for you. Everything here in God's garden shares my longing too. Listen to the prairie weave a song from a whale. Listen to him blended with the nightingale, winging up above where the dark clouds sail and fly. I need you. Listen to the rhythm of the padded feet, stealing through the desert, hear his wild heartbeat, searching for his love, and my heart repeats his cry. I need you. Far in the distance, hear that note. It's born of a call in a savage throat to wait a mate's reply. Listen to the moaning of the wind on his way. Everything he touches, see it bend and sway. Seem to pleasure, love, and send him on his way. That's why I need you. I need you.
I suppose there have been so many songs about old Paint the cow horse that most people think that every cow pony in all the West has the name Old Paint. I thought we'd be a little different and sing you a song about another horse. I come to think of it, this one's named Old Paint too, but a special horse. Considered by many people to be one of America's great cowboy ballads. Riding Old Paint. I'm a riding Old Paint and a leading Old Dan. Going to Montana, I'm gonna throw the hooly hand.
They feed in the coulees, they water in the draw. The tails are all matted and the backs are all raw. Ride around, you little doggies, ride around them slow. The fiery and the snuffy are a raring to go. Old Bill Jones had 2 daughters and a son. One went to Denver and the other went wrong. One was killed in a pool room fight. Still he goes a-singing from morning till night. Ride around, you little doggies, ride around them slow. The fiery and the snuffy are a-raring to go. When I die, take my saddle from the wall, put it on my pony and lead him from his stall. Tie my bones to the saddle, turn our faces to the west. We'll travel the road that we love best. Ride around, you little doggies, ride around them slow. The fiery and the snuffy are a-raring to go. Ride around, you little doggies, ride around them slow. The fiery and the snuffy are a-raring to go.
You know, many people find it kind of hard to believe that a young boy like Larry Collins can play the guitar like he does. Well, he not only plays the guitar like a master, but he also composes songs. Instrumental songs, and also occasionally a song that he writes with his sister, Laurie. Now he is joined by Joe Maphis in one of his own instrumental compositions, Young Larry Collins and Cousin Joe. Bye-bye. Sir, the sun shines bright around the shady acres of our ranch, where we hold these ranch parties. And our special guests bring more sunshine when they honor us with their very special talents. One of our favorites, I think one of the greatest, Mac Wiseman, who now sings for us, Keep on the Sunny Side. Mac?
Side of life, there's a bright and a sunny side too. Though we meet with the darkness and strife, the sunny side we also may view. Keep on the sunny side, always on the sunny side. Keep on the sunny side of life. It will help us every day. It will brighten all the way. It will keep on the sunny side of life. Though the storm in its fury broke today, brushing hopes that we cherish so dear, storms and clouds will in time pass away. The sun again will shine bright and clear. Keep on the sunny side, keep on the sunny side, keep on the sunny side of life. It will help us every day, it will brighten all the way, it will keep on the sunny side of life.
And a great privilege of mine to spend many, many happy hours with this next group. Pictures, on records, on the air. Wherever great Western music is heard, these wonderful gentlemen are at the top of any list. Hear the artists sing for you, the Sons of the Pioneers.
Over mountains high, down the canyon run. Let me roam and ride through timber. When the day is done, by the campfire's gleam, let me lie and dream of timber. Tall timber's calling, and the echoes ring. For all nature sings a song along the timber trail. Blue shadows falling down the canyon sail, and the whispering pines entwine along the timber trail. High in the sky above, the love song of the trees will blend, and when it's way out on the breeze, tall timber's calling, and the echoes ring. For all nature sings a song along the timber trail. The timber trail, timber.
Well, that has to be all for this ranch party, friends. For our wonderful guests, for myself, and for all of us, thank you for this friendly visit. Let's be sure and get together again for the next Western ranch party, and we'll bring you many more of your favorite Western movie and record stars with all of your favorite Western and country music. Till then, adios, amigos, and bless you one and all.
Party and we'll all have a wonderful time. Join in the song and the old ranch party, leave all the troubles behind. The smile on your face and a song in your heart, it'll help you in time. Oh, come on, to the old ranch party and we'll all have a wonderful time.
Ranch Party has come to you from the stage of the Old Town Hall, Western Music's Hall of Fame. Be sure and be with us next time for your favorite Western stars and music on Ranch Party. See you then. This is Jay Stewart saying bye now.